Think the electric vehicle battery race is about who can pack in the most cells or shave a minute off charge time? Think again. The world's moving fast, but the real challenge is building batteries that don't just charge faster but last longer, and simply won't fail under pressure. If you're an engineer, a chemist, or just obsessed with the future of mobility, this online training could be your new secret weapon. Let's be honest, electric vehicle adoption now hangs on one thing: batteries that charge from 10 to 80% in minutes, deliver real range, and don't leave anyone stranded with safety worries. Here's the reality. Delivering this trifecta means working across the entire battery stack. You'll need to master everything from advanced NMC and lithium manganese iron phosphate chemistries to silicon-rich anodes and dual-salt electrolytes that keep the solid electrolyte interface and cathode electrolyte interface rock solid even at extreme fast charge. And on the system side, modern battery management systems with adaptive charge profiles, clever preheat, and true fast charge compatibility with ISO 1511820. But safety? That's non-negotiable. We're talking ceramic separators, propagation barriers, smart venting, and robust thermal design. So failures aren't just rare, they're contained and controlled. Add in sustainability demands, recyclability, and UN 38.3 compliance, and you're juggling a lot more than just volts and amps. So why not learn the playbooks you can actually use in production next quarter, not next decade? Build an extreme fast charging toolkit, formation recipes, localized high concentration electrolyte stacks, adaptive taper profiles, the works. Get methods to spot and stop lithium plating before it starts, with differential capacity versus voltage, electrochemical impedance spectroscopy, and even pressure sensors tied to hard battery management system limits. Want to design packs that resist propagation by design, not by luck? You'll get hands-on with ceramic barriers, phase change material layers, and real thermal runaway propagation pass criteria. Plus, navigate certification and shipping with IEC, UL, automotive industry standards, and all the essential dossier templates that keep your product moving, not stuck in customs. If you're in the chemical industry, an original equipment manufacturer, working on grid storage, or even data centers, this is for you. Walk away with yield ladders, warranty exposure mathematics, and telemetry loops to justify every decision with data. Ready to lead the charge? Don't just watch the future, build it. Check out the training and give your battery game the edge it needs. To register for this exclusive OnlyTRAININGS Academy on-demand training, click on the link in the description or visit academy.onlytrainings.com today. And don't forget to check out hundreds of expert-led on-demand training courses.